Hello everyone, this is Trutiman. Welcome back to my channel and also a very good morning. It is 7 in the morning and I'm creating this vlog after 6 days of gap and now I'm having a trip to Shimla, one day trip to Shimla, also going to be creating a clickbait up on that, and I'm going with one of my senior. He is the senior. He is from Food Tech and yeah, सीनियर जूनियर का जोड़ी आज शिमला जा रहा है घूमने के लिए. And I always had a dream of going to Shimla. I once visited Shimla, but that was just for cleaning campaign, and I never had time to visit Shimla in a good way. And today I am just going just for one day, not even one day. We'll be returning by night or the evening, like planning to reach the hostel at a college by university by 7 in the evening. We're just planning to, let's see what happens. And yeah, we're just on our way and we're gonna walk some distance so that until we get a bus. And yeah, we're on our way. So this is the way how it looks like between the mountains. And yeah, we literally reached the Solan railway station now. So this is the way how it looks like. Now Himachal has all the railway station. They are small little cafes that we always used to see in the TVs, in the shows and all sorts of stuff. Now we're gonna wait. We're literally waiting for the train. It will be arriving just after a few minutes. And since I'm traveling to a new place, so always wearing a mask, I'm just removing it to shoot the vlog right now, and I'm gonna wear this again for safety's precautions. And yeah, so we're literally waiting for the train right now. It will be arriving by 8:45. It's now 8:30 or something. And yeah, we're gonna sip some tea here, and we're just sitting and chilling. And yes, I'm very excited to travel through train, going by like under the tunnels and under the hills, mountains. And yeah, I'm gonna shoot the entire vlog in a great way. I'm very excited to shoot the entire vlog as well, in short, I mean. Now we are currently sitting inside the train. It already started. I'm very excited. This is the train, how it looks like. I'm just going to show you. This is small, like, and yeah, this is the rooftop of the train, how it looks like. There are many people, you know, this is Shimla, so many of the people used to go.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is Shimla railway station. This is a beautiful railway station. This is the first railway station which looks much more bigger, and obviously it will be. This is Shimla, a tourist place, a tourist destination. So we reached here, and You can see how it looks like. It's beautiful, and the journey was insane. I mean, I never had been through such woods and such mountains, that too by a train. And yeah, the journey was fantastic, and that was probably one of my lifetime experience for me. You can see, look at the view. This is called Shimla. Yes. Now we are just gonna roam Shimla randomly because this is just a one-day trip. I don't know. This is my first time in Shimla, as I said. My senior knows, and he had been here many times. So yeah, I'm looking forward for having a great time here, just roaming randomly in the streets, eating foods, and just yeah. The weather is quite fine today. It's not quite fine. I mean, this is great weather, not sunny, not too cold. It's great. Yeah, I'm just wearing this black shirt and this trouser and a Converse that I took from one of my friends. So yeah, nothing good, nothing great about my look today because I had been ready just within 15 minutes. Yeah, so let's go and roam the streets of Shimla. We are just out of the railway station. That's the railway station behind me. And now, let's go. We are just on our way right now. We don't know. We are clueless. We're just gonna open, I guess, Google Maps and go through the route it shows probably. And yeah, let me ask him what's he planning. So, क्या plan है आज का आयुष?
ब्रो कोई प्लान नहीं है, सड़कों पे भटकना
अच्छा
और खाना।
अच्छा और खाना है, सड़कों में भटकना है. This is our Shimla trip. One day trip to Shimla. This is how it will be. Probably it will be fun, I guess. Yeah. So now, currently we are at Mall Road. This is the most famous road of Shimla. Even Mall Road is present in Solan as well. Now we just reached Mall Road, and now we're gonna eat something because we haven't ate anything on our breakfast. We just came out of our rooms at 7 and we haven't had our breakfast yet, so we are just hungry. Our stomachs are crying in pain. So now we're gonna go at some restaurant or cafe and eat something, at least a little bit. It's like we have many more hours to travel and roam in the streets of Shimla, so yeah, we have time. In fact, we'll be going from here after the eve, like at 6-7, I guess, probably. And yeah, this Mall Road looks fantastic. Like the buildings here, the architecture, here's so much a vibe of the Shillong and Sikkim. You can look behind me. This is fantastic. It would be a bad luck for me not to stay the night here because at night Shimla looks fantastic, phenomenal. I've seen them in the photos because our floor mates came here day before yesterday and they stayed a night here. It would be a bad luck, I guess, but yeah, whatever happens, it happens for a good cause, I guess. At least, as I say, something is better than nothing. The morning and the eve will be something, at least, not more than the night, but yeah, it will be something. So yeah, so this place is called Ridge. This is also can be defined as the heart of Shimla. Look how beautiful it is. This is the view from here. It's so beautiful. The wind is so high here. I don't know if you can feel the wind or not, but yeah, this is great. The more I come to the edge, the more good it feels. And yeah, that's the famous church behind me. You can see that in like many videos and documentaries of Shimla, or even the movies and series, that's the famous church. This is what I have told you about the Mall Road. This is beautiful. Now we're just gonna roam here like random people. This is what the vlog is all about, I always wanted to create a very random vlog as much as possible, and today I finally succeeded in creating the one. I'm creating the one, not succeeded yet. Now we are just gonna go through that route. and we're gonna eat something. We're just gonna roam, and yeah, Shimla is great. And this is everyone's dream to come Shimla and have a good time with the good peoples. Today I came with my senior. He's a great mate for me. Great mate for me. So yeah, this is Shimla. Nobody can feel bad being here. And yeah, a lifelong dream, childhood dream of coming to Shimla, feeling the air of the hills had been successful today. So this is another famous road area here. This is called the Lakkar Bazaar. This is famous for wooden things and things made up of bamboos. Everything is here. You can get anything here. And yeah, this is a famous road of Shimla as well. Now I'm also planning to buy something because I'm planning to shop a little. I believe in street shopping more than like buying brands and all sorts of stuff. So I'm planning to buy little things. I don't know, whatever possible. My budget is quite low. I just came here with a very tight budget. I don't know if I will be able to buy within that budget or not, but I'll be buying something, at least something from Shimla as a mark of it that I came to Shimla for the first time, as a first memory. Shimla is always filled with people. It's always rush. It's Shimla. After all, it's a tourist place, the summer capital of the country. You know about the summer capital. And yeah, I love people. I love being around people. So I came from the east. Assam, West Bengal are always filled with rushes with the people. So yeah, it's not a very different thing for me, but it feels great. After so many months, I'm getting people around me. At least in Solan, it's not like very rush. So now we are sitting at a hotel. This is called Delhi Mughlai. My senior, he had someone here at Shimla, and she literally told him that Delhi Mughlai is a good place to have your lunch and fill your appetite if it is crying in pain, literally as us. So we are sitting here right now. We ordered chicken changezi, I guess, and even tandoori rotis. This is lunchtime, so we'll be having a heavy bunch of lunch to our stomach. So yeah, after having appetites full, we'll be seeing you throughout the shopping video and all throughout the other stuff that we'll be doing in Shimla today by the eve. Our food came now. This is what it looks like. This is chicken changezi. These are kind of like onions and chutneys together. This is tandoori roti, and yeah, let me try and tell you how it is and ref our place if it is a good place to eat. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it is good. In fact, I haven't tried this chicken ever. Chicken changezi, I mean. So yeah, it's a very new taste to my tongues, but still it is tasty. So we just came out of the hotel and my stomach is completely filled right now. Still I have that energy. Today I don't know what got into me, but I have so much energy that I can walk the entire Shimla. Lol, that's not possible, however. So yeah, now we are going to another destination again, the Mall Road. And we were at, this is Lakkar Bazaar. We were at Lakkar Bazaar, now we are going to Mall Road again to buy little stuffs. I have few little things to buy. I'm planning to buy a tripod so that it could be easy for me to vlog, because I don't have wide aperture. I don't have wide aperture in my front camera while in a video. So yeah, I'm planning to buy a tripod stand and also other little stuffs, I guess, that could be possible within the budget. So yeah. So one of the most special thing about the Lakkar Bazaar is that you can get a lot of home decor kind of stuff, all made up of woods, like special stuffs. Next time you come to Shimla, you come to Lakkar Bazaar, come with your family to buy things. And as my family is not here, they are in Assam, and I'll be going to my hostel back, not to my home of course. So I'll be not buying anything from here. But I just came here to explore a little bit, because obviously my first time to explore exploring everything was a little must. So that's why. So I am still at this mall road. I just bought this Himachali cab. It looks great. It's a great quality. I mean, the quality differs according to the price. So I got it for like 300 bucks. They were saying it for 350, but I somehow bargained and asked it for 300 bucks, and it looks fantastic, as my friend is saying. So yeah, we are still at Mall Road. He's buying glasses, I guess, and I bought little things as well. I'm still left with buying more things because आए हैं तो shopping करके ही जाएंगे शिमला में, तो इसलिए I bought till now I bought a vest, a belt, which I'm craving for many days because I left it in my home only in Assam, and I also bought a track pant, a trouser. I mean, I always feel much more like buying comfortable clothes which I can wear at any time of the day. So I bought a trouser. Now I'm looking for a great pair of pants or maybe shoes, I guess. Let's see what I get. This is called Lower Bazaar. So we are now at Lower. This is like नीचे है जो mall ऊपर mall road के नीचे. So this is the Lower Bazaar that comes below the mall road. We just came down here. It feels so good walking down in the streets in such bazaars, you know, narrow streets, narrow bazaars, street shops. It feels good. I always used to get fascinated by the places like this, and yeah, in such places you can get things at a very affordable price, and most important, you can at least like bargain, you know. That's a must for a middle class person like me. So by the way, I just finished shopping. I shopped like as I said, this cap and the things that I already said earlier, and yeah, now we are inside a tunnel. We are going to another spot just to have something, I guess, just to eat or drink, maybe, who knows. Let's see what we get. So yeah, we are on our way. So today we just had and came for a one-day trip, so it couldn't be possible to cover the entire Shimla. Obviously it won't be possible for anyone else. The plan was very random. Just 2 days ago we just thought ki we must visit Shimla once, and now here we are. It's like I just came here to see the ridge, to enjoy the views, and also the train, and to shop. I mean, 4 things. The 4 things I have done here. It was great, probably. And yeah, now I'll be going back by the bus. Now the trains won't be available because it becomes dark in mountains. So yeah, trains don't run so late. We'll be going hostel back by bus, and by 5 or after 5, I guess.
2,000 years later.
Hi again. So I finally am returning to my hostel right now. We are on our way to board the bus. We'll be boarding bus at, I don't know at which time we'll be getting the bus literally, but we'll be just waiting for the bus so that we can get a direct bus to Solan. And yeah, so this is what our one-day trip to Shimla had been. We just ate. We just came out of the restaurants, and we boarded up another bus till this stop. This is called the bypass of Shimla. So yeah, we are going to another bus stand to board the main bus to the city. So this is what it had been like. We came to the train, and one of the most main intention was to coming to Shimla was like coming by train to have the real experience of how it feels to going through the tunnels and through all the mountains, you know. And it had been great. Whatever I wanted, I just accomplished today, to travel to Solan by train. This is what I ever wanted. And yeah, I just went to little places. We shopped, and this is what it had been. Nothing special, nothing extraordinary, but just typical one-day trip of Shimla, how it should be. And this is what
Heart of Shimla.
We literally traveled and stayed within the heart of the Shimla, the ridge area, the market area, the Mall Road, I mean. And
Lower
yeah,
Bazaar, Lakkad Bazaar.
Lakkar Bazaar, Lower Bazaar, and all sorts of stuff. The church and all, the rich area. This is what that called. And yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Shimla had been amazing. One day at Shimla had been amazing. I'm going to come back to Shimla again in the winter during the time of the snow, and it's snowy all the places. Obviously, it will be having, it's more like I'll be having more fun then. Obviously, I come from a plane. I have never seen snow, so I'll be coming back to Shimla during the time of the December or the winters generally. So yeah, till then, bye bye. Take care, and hope to meet you in some other vlog of my life. Bye bye.